Today I am going to discuss about the topic is nitrogen cycle. Myself Sandhya, second MSc microbiology. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is the most abundant element in the atmosphere. Although 78% volume of the atmosphere is nitrogen gas, nitrogen is essential to life because it is a key component of proteins and nucleic acids. The nitrogen cycle refers to the cycle of nitrogen atoms through the living and non-living systems of Earth. What are the steps involved in nitrogen cycle? There are 5 steps: nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification, denitrification. This is the diagram of nitrogen cycle. First one is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation refers to the conservation of atmospheric nitrogen gas N2 into ammonia or related nitrogenous components, a form usable by plants and other organisms. In nitrogen fixation, the N2 is split up into free N2 atoms by breaking the triple bond with the help of enzyme nitrogenase. Nitrogen fixation can take place by two methods. One is non-biological method, non-biological nitrogen fixation. Another one is biological nitrogen fixation. Non-symbiotic free-living nitrogen fixation. Another one is symbiotic nitrogen fixation, associative symbiotic nitrogen fixation, endobiotic nitrogen fixation. Microorganisms, particularly prokaryotes, fix 70% nitrogen for fragments of plants. Microorganisms that can fix N2 are called diazotrophs, both bacteria and archaea. Biological nitrogen fixation occurs when atmospheric nitrogen is converted to ammonia by an enzyme called nitrogenase. The overall reaction for biological nitrogen fixation is the whole biological nitrogen fixation process requires 8 electrons and at least 16 ATPs. The ability to reduce atmospheric nitrogen is restricted only to bacteria which are belonging to the diverse groups. The root nodal association were the first to be recognized for their ability to fix atmosphere N2. Rhizopia are the first group of organisms realized for its potential of nitrogen fixation. Nitrification. In nitrification, a host of soil bacteria participate in turning ammonia into nitrite, the form of nitrogen that can be used by plants and animals. Nitrification is the second step process. First one is ammonification, is oxidized into nitrate with the help of bacteria Nitrosomonas species. The ammonia oxidizing bacteria are chemotrophs in nature. Second step is nitrate is oxidized into nitrate with the help of Nitrobacter species. Assimilation. In nitrogen assimilation, plants consume the nitrates made by soil bacteria through its roots and use them to make nucleotides, amino acid, plant proteins and other vital chemicals for life. Animals that eat the plant are then able to use this amino acid and nucleic acid in their own cells. Ammonification. Ammonification is performed by soil bacteria which decompose dead plants and animals. During the ammonification process, this decompose break down amino acid and nucleic acids into nitrates and ammonia and release those components back into the soil. The ammonia produced may be taken up again by plants and nitrifying bacteria. The bacteria help in ammonification process are Pseudomonas, Bacillus, Clostridium, Serratia. The fungi in ammonification process are Alternaria, Mucor, Aspergillus and Penicillium species. Denitrification. Denitrification is the final step of nitrogen cycle. Denitrification is the process that convert nitrate to nitrogen gas by denitrifying bacteria. Denitrification occurs in waterlogged soil where little oxygen is available. In the absence of oxygen as an electron acceptor, denitrifying bacteria substitute the nitrates of agricultural fertilizer. This converts much of the valuable nitrate into gaseous nitrogen that enters the atmosphere. Some of the denitrifying bacteria involved in denitrification process are Pseudomonas bacillus, Paracoccus denitrificans, and Thiobacillus denitrificans. That's all about nitrogen cycle. Thank you.